Hey everyone, in this video I will do another session of DIY TCA cross and chemical peel using 50%, and let me update you guys with my skin. So this is how my skin look, and there are still hyperpigmentation from my previous acne breakouts. To start with the procedure, I will use the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask first. Yeah, so I will use the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask para i-cleanse and to remove the dirt and oil sa skin ko. Kaysa gumamit ako ng alcohol. So yeah, so ito na lang mask ang aking gagamitin. Yes, so here, nalagay ko na yung mask sa buo kong face, and then hugasan ko lang siya after 15 minutes. Yes, and ito na yung mukha ko after washing it. So, this is the TCA solution. So, yeah, so it's from Chemistry Lab, and then magta-transfer lang ako ng enough amount of the solution. And then for the TCA cross treatment, gagamit ako ng fine brush for my applicator. So, yung number ng brush ay 000. Yeah, so pwede kang gumamit ng surgical gloves, but for the TCA cross treatment, hindi muna ako magsusuot ng gloves. And then, so dinip ko lang yung, brush doon sa solution. And then, inalis ko yung excess para hindi siya tumulo or mag-drip. Yeah, and then saka ko lang siya i-apply doon mismo sa pinakaloob ng scars ko. Yeah, and by the way everyone, so I'm not advocating or convincing you or encouraging you to also do DIY or at-home treatment for TCA kasi very risky siya, pwedeng madamage yung skin nyo. And then here, so gumagamit or dinadab ko lang siya ng wet towel para ma-ease lang yung konting hapde at kirot na aking nararamdaman. Char. Alright, so tinapos ko na yung procedure off-cam. So ganito na yung itsura ng skin ko. So as you can see, may mga puti-puti or frosting yung aking mga nilagyan ng solution or yung scars ko. Yeah, that's normal. Ganun talaga siya. So ang next naman natin ay chemical peel treatment. So, gagamit ako ng syringe para i-measure yung natitirang TCA solution. And then, haluan ko siya same measurement ng purified water para bumaba yung kanyang concentration or percentage. And then, isusuot ko na yung surgical gloves for protection and safety since mahahawakan kasi natin yung solution kasi ang gagamitin nating applicator ay cotton pads. Yes, so here na-mix ko na yung solution and water. So, ilalagay ko lang yung cotton pads doon sa, sa solution, yes. And then, hintayin lang natin siyang ma-absorb nung cotton pads, yung solution. Tapos, make sure na hindi masyadong dry or masyadong basa yung cotton pads or cotton bago nyo i-apply sa inyong skin. Kasi, kapag basa siya, pwede siyang tumulo, mag-drip. Pwede siyang mag-cause ng, damage sa skin. So, dapat sakto lang yung kanyang, what they call this, yung pagkabasa, basta ganun. Basta, pag nakita nyong wet naman na yung skin nyo, that's enough. And then, yung pag-wipe sa skin, so, isang direction lang siya, tapos wag nyo na siyang babalikan. And then, kung gusto nyo namang mag-layer, ila-layer nyo siya after 5 minutes. Yes. So here, nagdab na naman ako ng wet towel sa skin ko kasi nga medyo, makakaramdam kayo ng hapdi at kirot. Char. So here, tinapos ko na siya off-cam. So, bali 2 layers yung ginawa ko here. Kaya medyo namumula yung skin ko. And it's time for the aftercare products. So, ang aking gagamitin ay yung Banish Serum. So, meron itong vitamin C and E. So, it will hydrate yung skin nyo and also, it will boost the collagen production on our skin. And then next is the Banish Fighter Gel. So, ito, ginagamit ko to after ng TCA treatment or kahit microneedling kasi nakaka-relax siya ng skin. Basta nakaka-calm, ganyan. So, and then next ay Banish Vitamin C Cream. So, this is a moisturizer. So, kailangan kasi natin ng enough hydration and moisturization. Yes, basta ganun. Kasi nga, after ng treatment, magda-dry yung skin natin. So, yeah. So, that's it. So, thank you so much for watching. So, please don't forget to like and share this video. Follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye!